TFSI? Is it the FSSI? Is it the FDSSI? Is it the PCI? Don't give a fuck SFI? And oh my god, guys, look at this! Look at this! A Jubilee clip! Oh my god, but he's facing the wrong way! Wow, thank you! How is that possible? How is it actually possible? So let's go over all the parts and how much I got it for, how much we could sell this car for. So. Right. Let's get this car fucking fixed, shall we? In the last couple episodes, it's basically me just been having a terrible time with this car. And I can't wait to get rid of it, to be honest. But it's still not fixed. So, if you saw the last episode, we actually had a boost pipe which popped off. Let me just get the new one. They ordered new boost pipe. I got a new one. I didn't know whether we wanted to get a new one or just get like a used one, but I just got a new one. This is for a company. Again, this was impossible trying to find this part. It was absolutely, it took me hours to go and get the part. It took to the point I had to come down here, get the boost pipe off, to read the part number, to go back upstairs, because there's about 5,000 different versions of these. What goes the day of just Golf GTI intercooler pipe? Order, no. Oh, which one is it for? Is it the TFSI? Is it the FSSI? Is it the FDSSI? Is it the PCI? Don't give a fuck SFI? Well, which one is it? Oh wait, is it the Mark 5? Is it the Mark 5 diesel? Is it the S3? Is it? I don't fucking know. Just give me a boost pipe. So I've got a boost pipe. When I get this boost pipe off, I'll show you what's wrong with this one and what's wrong with this one, and how it could have just been fine if they just used a fucking Jubilee clip on each end. And we're gonna give it a clean and let's just get rid of it. Honestly, I'm bored of this car. I'm bored of it, mate. So here is the boost pipe, and we need to get this stupid little clip off again. Hopefully it doesn't ping into the next dimension. And oh my god, guys, look at this! Look at this! A Jubilee clip! Oh my god, but he's facing the wrong way. Wow, thank you. Okay, so here are the two boost pipes. They kind of just like break down after a while. You can see that bit there. This one's totally gone off that side. There's actually, it's like totally snapped off. As you compare that to this one, they've got proper clips. So the idea is that stupid little clip just sits behind that and stops it pulling off. Yeah, let's actually put the Jubilee clip on the right way round so you can actually get to it facing down like that. I think let's get it on this bit first. See, now that's what they all should be like. Just pop them in. It's not a big issue. Do you know what I mean? Right. Where's that bloody clip? Here we go. Right, let's play this game. Here we go. Daddy's back to play this stupid game. Here we go. Oh, wrong. That was easy getting. Oh, it was a lot easier, guys. Let's go for a drive. Right. Second time lucky. Let's go for a spin. Can I get out there? Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Okay, so we're going to take it for a drive. We're going to see how it boosts, and we're also going to let it fully get up to temperature. I don't think it's fully got up to temperature yet, so we're probably going to have to just keep topping it up with coolant and stuff. I did do a bleed when I topped it up, but like cars like this, they just take so much coolant. There's just so many different channels that it'll probably take like 4 or 5 drives for it to even properly bleed. So let's just see if it's got boost. No. What? Something popped up already? Seriously, what the f is this car, mate? What is this car? Seriously, what the f is this car? What else could go wrong with it? I'm gonna scrap this car in a minute. This boost pipe has popped off again. How is that possible? How is it actually possible? The clip's still there. The clip's still on. Oh my god, I hate this car so much. Right, there's an issue here, guys. What a surprise. There's something, I think there's something wrong with the intercooler itself. It's always this side that's popping out, and I can actually just pull it out with my hands. Like, look at that, it's just basically loose. You can tell why people make the silicone ones and they go over the top of this and just Jubilee clip down. Obviously it's a terrible design if aftermarket people are just all design off. Just put it over the top and Jubilee clip it. It's such a stupid design. So I've got the clip fully on there, and you can see it's through there and it's through there properly. Okay, now these are designed just so you can slide them in. Okay, so just to show I'm not doing all wrong here, so let's slide it in. Okay, and now I put it straight off. I can literally just pull it straight off. Okay, so I've been playing about with it and I've been messing about and trying to push it in different ways. I found a way where it seems quite sturdy, I mean, there's still a little bit of play on this side of it, but I can't pull it out, like, I'll pull it out. So let's take it for a spin and see if we've got boost. 4th time lucky, shall we? Straight away I can tell I've got boost, like just how perky it is, like just 3rd gear, 2000 RPM. So responsive. So weird how quick that turbo comes in. So I know I've definitely got boost. We're on a slow road here, so let's not do it here. But yeah, just the perkiness of it. It feels like a diesel. I can't believe how responsive it is. Oh my god. So you just stay in 3rd gear the whole time. It's literally like driving a diesel. Look, 3rd gear, there's power. But it keeps on going. Woo! Like, that's not slow, you know. Jesus. It's like quite direct, but floaty-ish. Quite floaty from the wheel, but that's nice. It actually makes it quite a nice daily as well, you know. Like, I've actually just like cruising around. It's quite nice just to cruise around. I still hate the car, by the way, guys. I will still never own one, just because quickly how annoying it's been to work on, you know. Okay, so I've just put the under tray back on, which wasn't actually too bad. Probably one of the jobs which aren't actually too bad. I've got a cabin filter here. I brought a cabin filter just because the aircon stunk. So we are going to change the cabin filter. So it's literally just under. It's probably the easiest thing on a car. This just clamps it in so it just pulls off to the side. And oh god, look at the state of this. Oh my god. It's genuinely disgusting. So there's the old cabin filter. Jesus Christ. And there's a new one. So yeah. So we changed that. Right, I'm literally at that point where, obviously it's fixed, it's back together now. I'm literally at the point where I'm just going to give up on the airbag light, because I've genuinely never disliked the car so much in my entire life. Like, I'm literally not even joking. I really just despise it in every single way, and it's just making me angry being around it. So I'm just going to clean it out a little bit in the inside, then we're going to take it across the road to get cleaned, because we all know I hate cleaning cars. So I'm going to take it across the road to get cleaned, let them clean it, and then it might, with it being clean, it might give me a little bit more motivation to sort out the wiring. But I'm not going to lie, every time you touch something on this car, it just breaks. Absolutely everything just breaks. It just feels like it's just, I don't know, it's just getting on. I'm just really have no motivation towards it at all. So we're going to take it across the road, let them clean it. I need to just maybe relax a little bit and try to fix it, because I'm pretty sure that airbag light is probably just going to be something that's unplugged somewhere. But I'm not an auto electrician, and I'm definitely not a VW technician. And the more I work in this car, the more I feel like you just need to know the procedure for everything. It's not a straightforward car. You need to know the procedure for how to get everything off. And you need the right tools and everything. And so the DIY guy, you know, just wants to have a go and just go along as you can. It's awful. And hey, look at that. Look at that. I mean, I did want to do the inside, but I didn't have enough money. One of the guys in the office absolutely loves cleaning cars, so he says he's going to come down and he's going to give it a bit of a machine polish. He says, not sure he's going to do that today, but that's what he said he's going to do. So I've hoovered the inside. Much nicer. Could go over with a little bit of a clean inside. But Neil is a detailing guy, and he wants to quickly, very quickly, what's it called? Machine polish. Machine polish it, sorry, machine polish it. There he goes. The rule is if you start seeing blue, you stop. What do you say, mate?
It's alright, isn't it?
So it looks like a new car.
Didn't say that.
Yeah, you did.
And you've not cleaned it, or you just polished it?
Oh, I played it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I played it. Yeah. I just did it.
They did.
Alright.
It's alright.
What's that?
I think it's in someone's head.
Someone's got some greasy ass hair.
It's definitely not me.
Right, so we've got the Golf here. We've just spent probably about an hour or so cleaning it. It's come up really good, I'm not gonna lie, it has come up really good. So, what we're gonna do with this car, I mean, there is a couple of problems still. There is an airbag light, but we need to probably get like a scanner on that to kind of see what airbag it is, or because I've looked at like the common airbags, like under the seats and stuff, and they all seem plugged into me, so that seems okay. So, I want to get this car gone. Do you know what I mean? I actually just want to get it gone. I've not really enjoyed doing the stuff to it, to be fair. So let's go over all the parts and how much I got it for, how much we could sell this car for. So, I got this car for, we agreed to buy it for £1,000. I bought it for £1,000, and that's cheap, but it could have been a water pump, it could have been something bad, and the guy who I got it off didn't really know about fixing cars, and he just basically didn't really care, to be fair. So I got it for £1,000. Offered him £1,000, he took it, we got £1,000, got it here. So let's go with the parts. I needed a radiator, which is 50 quid, a boost pipe, which was 30 quid, £40 for oil, £7 for an oil filter, £17 for plugs, £15 for a drive belt, and £6 for a cabin filter. So that comes to £1,165. Now if you go on eBay now and type in 3-door Golf GTI 2005, they're going for roughly 2,700 to £3,000 with a little bit less miles than this one. So I would value the car at £2,500. So on that basis, that would be a £1,335 profit. But I have to knock some price off because there are a few issues with the car, but I probably would have made a decent profit nonetheless. So one of the guys in the office, he wants to buy it. So I'm obviously not going to charge him what I would sell this for. He wants the car, so we're just giving it him as a good deal, which kind of paid from the parts that we paid for and paid for the time that I've spent fixing it. But I've got some YouTube videos out of it, so I'd rather just help someone out, do you know what I mean? So yeah, it should make a £1,300 profit. I'm gonna get a plug-in and sort the airbag thing out. We can do that off camera. Yeah, there it is, there's the Golf. Hope you enjoyed this series. I really haven't, but like you say, when something pops up like that and you can get something at a good value, go on my knees, and you can actually make decent profit off it. So next we're going to do some more Copart cars. I'm going to do some more Copart cars. Yeah, so you're not going to see this car on the channel anymore. I'm glad that Neil helped clean it because I would have not done that. But it does look good and it is quite fun to drive. But unfortunately, this car, it's not for me. Everything's made out of plastic, and I just felt like everything I touched broke. So yeah, I've not enjoyed it, but nonetheless we've done a good job turning it around. I think it looks really good. So yeah, I love you all, and we'll see you in the next series.